Okay, so I'm going to go through different examples of composite shapes, looking for the area of composite shapes. And I got the questions basically from the work that I gave you. So if I explain this one, you will be able to answer these questions by yourself. Okay? All right. So with this question is the composite shape of a rectangle and a triangle. So you break it into two smaller shapes and work out the area of each shape. So let's work out area of the rectangle first. A will be equal to 15 multiplied with 9, then plus with the area of the rectangle. Area of a triangle, which is area of triangle will be equal to a half multiplied with base times with height. So in this case, that's gonna be equal to 15. So this is the base here. This is the height given by 4. So it's gonna be a half multiplied with 15 multiplied with 4. Pop it in your calculator and work out what that is. I have 165. Alright, and this is gonna be in meter square. Now can we work out this one? I want you to give it a go first. Let's work out the shaded area of the orange shaded area here. So we know that this is made out of a whole semicircle, right? Equal to a whole semicircle. You take away the triangle. Sorry, I didn't draw it properly, but so first thing first, the area will be equal to half of a circle. So do you remember the circle's area? So area of circle will be equal to pi r squared. So half of it, semicircle. Semi stand for half. Semicircle area will be equal to pi r squared divided by 2. Okay, so I got pi r squared divided by 2. I take away the triangle in order to give me the shaded area. Take away a half times with base and height. Okay, let's just work out this part first. This part is semicircle. Pi times with radius. So radius is just halfway through this circle from the center. So it's gonna be equal to 10 divided by 2, which is 5 squared divided by 2. Take away. Now we're working on the triangle. Now with the triangle, it's gonna be equal to a half multiply with the base, which is 10, multiply with the height, which is 4. I just sub the value in, and then it give me the answer. All right, I got 19.27 centimeter square. Okay, because this is in area, we have to give it in square. All right, with this one, I love pink color, and we need to look for the area of the pink shaded area. So look at this. We have a big circle with the radius of 5, and a smaller circle with the hole. Remember, like you have a whole circle and then there's a hole inside, and then the smaller circle has a radius of 3. So the area will be equal to, shaded area will be equal to the big circle. You take away the small circle. Okay, so the area of a circle given here already, pi r squared. So we're gonna do pi r1 squared minus pi r2 squared. So r1 will be 5. So pi multiply with 5 squared with the bigger circle. Take away pi, multiply with smaller radius, which is 3 square. Okay, put it in your calculator and work out for me. Okay, I got 50.27 meters squared as the answer. Please try to do all these for the homework, okay?